Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable always show Siri captions to show what Siri says on screen on the iPhone 12 series. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next tap on settings, then in settings tap on Siri and search, and then go down and tap on Siri responses, and in here tap on always show Siri captions to switch it on. Once it is switched on, it can show what Siri says on screen. So let's test it out. Hi Siri, how old is the Earth?
The answer I found is 4.5 billion years.
So you can see in the bold text below here, it shows what Siri said. And if we switch it off. Hi Siri, how old is the Earth?
The answer I found is 4.5 billion years.
So you can see now, if we switch it off, we do not see the caption of what Siri said. And that's it. So that's how you can switch it on or off. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.